Hello everyone, this is my review of the Noreli Travel Case, a must-have for anyone using the RedRevive Cold Laser Therapy 1. Its compact, durable design provides excellent protection, keeping the wand safe from damage while on the go. The custom-fit interior ensures that the device stays securely in place, and the case itself is lightweight yet sturdy, making it ideal for travel or storage. If you want to keep your red light therapy wand protected and organized, this travel case is perfect solution. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.